Today I take charge as a secretary of Goa Cricket Association, and it is my privilege to be sitting on this chair for the betterment of the cricket, which I'm looking forward to. As a ex-state player, my vision and my plan would be to strengthen the Goa team in all under 16, under 19, and Ranji Trophy, which I'm already doing. I have spent time with the Ranji Trophy team, which is a men's senior team. I'm looking for strengthening the team. One incident I would reckon is that 2 days back, the Master Blaster, the God of Cricket, Sachin Tendulkar, had come and had spent time with the Goa Ranji Trophy team. So that was one good thing, which Goans and Goan cricketers have taken advantage of, and I'm very thankful to Sachin Tendulkar for coming and spending time with the team, which will definitely help in the coming tournament, which our team is playing as Vijay Hazare Trophy, which is starting from 8th of November, 8th of December. Uh, Apart from that, our vision will be about the international cricket stadium. So my primary focus also will be on the international stadium, and I'm hoping I will be able to get this thing done for the Goans, and to fulfill their dream of having an international stadium. And apart from that, I would also like to thank the clubs, the stakeholders of the association. I mean, we have 107 clubs. I would give them, a comfort and, a guarantee that this managing committee will work for the betterment of the cricket, taking in confidence all these clubs